first week. And today we learned a few things. We learned our basics, an ad-lib, come around, and that come around in a pom.
Yep. We start with our gathers or our slows. So we're going like this: 5, 6, 7, 8. Gather, 7, gather, 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 gather. Then we gave you something we called an ad-lib. So it went like this: 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gather step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gather step. Then we shortened that to our basic. We look like this: 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, gather step. 1, 2, gather step.
To break that down, we're starting forward on the followers right, backwards on the leaders left.
Yep. Went like this: 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, gather step. 1, 2, gather step.
Perfect. And then from there we moved into a loop around, which we used to get into promenade and out.
Kind of look like this: 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, gather step. 1, 2, gather step. 1, 2, pivot. Step, step, gather.
And then using that to get into promenade.
Yep. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, gather step. 1, 2, gather step. 1, 2, pivot. Step and through. Walk, walk, walk. Leaders, we also learned that we can stop this promenade motion by doing a come around. So if we were doing a promenade, 1, 2, pivot, step, step, through, walk, walk, 1, 2, pivot, step, step, gather step.
That's all we did today. Practice your basics and we'll see you in a couple weeks.
Thank you.